Oh, okay, y'all. Okay. Yeah. Alright, y'all. I'm about ready to unbox Diamond and Silk. That's right. I'm about ready to unbox Diamond and Silk. Are y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Are y'all ready? Okay. Diamond and Silk. Here we go. Alright. Alright. Here we go. Let's see what they look like. Okay, there's like tape all over the place. Yeah, you gotta secure the girls. You gotta secure them. Okay. Oh, man. Oh, not cool. Not cool. Not cool. Not cool. No. Oh, that's not cool. That's not cool. Where's her head? Right here. Well, we're gonna reattach the head. Oh, man, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna have to use some glue. But here's what they look like. Gorgeous figures. Gorgeous. This is a gorgeous bobblehead set. Diamond and Silk, y'all. Diamond and Silk. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this. Look. That is a gorgeous Diamond and Silk bobblehead set. Look at that. It's all one piece, too. All one piece. These two beautiful ladies. All right. All right. So, there's Diamond and Silk. Diamond and Silk. We're gonna glue her head. We're gonna glue her head. There's Diamond and Silk right there. Okay. And we're gonna take care of that. But oh, so excited. I'm so excited to finally have Diamond and Silk a part of my bobblehead set. I'm so excited. I just got my Trump. I got it for Christmas. You want me to show it to you? I'll show you my Trump real quick. Alright, y'all. Here's my Trump. My mother-in-law got me this. There's the Donald. There he is. So now I got my Donald Trump and I got my Diamond and Silk. You know what make this better? If Dan Bongino would make a bobblehead. Hey Dan, make a bobblehead. Make a bobblehead, Dan. Make a bobblehead. I'm telling you, these are beautiful. These are beautiful. I'm telling you, make a bobblehead, Dan. Oh, that'd be awesome. You know what else? BCP, Black Conservative Patriot. That would be awesome. So, just a suggestion, guys. Just to add you to my collection. All right. Love y'all. Peace.